Hello friends, we have 3 examples. We are still on the resolution of vectors. Let's look at example 1. Now, from the diagram, we see the vector OA. It has a magnitude of 12 kilometers. What about the direction? We can see from this that the acute angle the vector makes with the x-axis is 25 degrees. So alpha is 25 degrees. Now, the vector OA lies in the first quadrant, where both x and y coordinates are positive. And so our vector will be given by xy is equal to r cos alpha, r sine alpha. So in this case, r is 12 kilometers, alpha is 25 degrees. So we are going to have 12 cos 25 and 12 sine 25. Why don't you enter this in your calculator? Let's see what you get. Let's go to the next one. We have the vector OP, 8 kilometers due east. 8 kilometers due east. We can tell that the magnitude is 8 kilometers. But what about the bearing? It says due east. That's the only information we are given. So let's draw. If we have our north, we have our x-axis over here. Due east means the vector is moving towards the left. So this is going to be our vector OP. Now what will be the bearing of this vector? We are going to have 90, 180, 270 degrees. So our theta is going to be 270 degrees. So if we use our formula, r sine theta, r cos theta, we are going to have r to be 8 kilometers, 8 sine 270, 8 cos 270. Okay, punch it into your calculator. What will you get? Now let's take the last one. We have xy, the vector xy, and we have an angle of 35 degrees, and that is our alpha, the angle the vector makes with the x-axis. So using our alpha formula, we are going to have r cos alpha, r sine alpha. R is 10 Newton and alpha is 35 degrees. Now what do we see? X is positive in the second quadrant, but y is negative. So we are going to have negative sine 35. Again, punch it into your calculator. What will you get? Thank you.